How to track your Cash App card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to track your Cash App card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further scroll down and you will see the support option. Tap on that, scroll down again and tap on the something else option, or you can simply tap on the chat option under Contact Us tab. Now, go ahead and chat with the support team of Cash App and further fix your issue. Simply enter your query in the text box you see here. For instance, I will enter, "I want to track my card." Cashbot will then send you an immediate reply related to your issue. So, this is how you can track your Cash App card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.